Ask yourself this: why you are always distracted and can't get anything done? The answer is simple. You are not disciplined, not consistent. Your habits also lead you toward distraction. And I was suffering from the same problem, so I tried to change it.
And I actually changed it.
I become super disciplined and super consistent.
And the fun part is, it took me 2 years to change myself.
But you can do it in just 90 days.
And here's exactly how you can do it.
First of all, you need habits that lead you to growth, that make you super disciplined and super consistent. The first habit you need to build is meditation.
Believe me, it's a magical thing.
When you start meditating every single day, maybe for 5 or 10 minutes, you will see boredom starts to feel normal again. Your mind becomes calm. You don't feel overstimulated and you feel control over yourself. So, building this habit is very important. Second, doing exercise every day.
Discipline and consistency are all about self control. Controlling yourself makes you disciplined and consistent.
And self control is all about pain. It's developed by enduring pain. When every day you push yourself, pain becomes normal and your pain threshold increases.
So, saying no to something that isn't your priority and choosing your priority becomes a lot easier.
Third, eating healthy.
You're kidding.
You are wondering what the connection is between being disciplined and eating healthy. Let me explain. Discipline is all about self control. So, when you start eating healthy, you intentionally choose good food over junk food, long term gratification over immediate pleasure. It simply increases your self control.
Okay, I understand it, but my situations are a lot more different than yours. Don't worry, I personally guide you and give you the exact roadmap according to your current situation.
And tell you to build the exact habits that make you super disciplined and super consistent.
My one-on-one consultation spots are open. What you need to do is open the description, check the email and DM me hard and I will see you there.
Fourth habit, writing. You just need to take a piece of paper and write down your goals. Write about the ideas you have. Write about yourself, your daily life. Writing is the best way to articulate your ideas and also articulate yourself.
That's how you find more clarity and actually discover which things distract you and stop you from becoming disciplined.
Fifth habit, quality consumption. This is a very important thing and it's very underrated.
And almost no one take this habit seriously.
At this time, you consume so many things in a day in terms of video, audio, food, and physical products. And somehow they influence your choices. You think the decisions you make every day, the food you consume, the type of things you pursue, the thoughts you have are your own decisions, but that's not the truth.
Your decisions are the byproduct of everything you consume.
They are not fully your own. They are influenced by the things you consume. Change the books you read. Change the food you eat. Change the type of videos, audio, and cinema you consume. Change the type of people you listen to. Change everything and only consume high quality things. Input equals output. Now you know what you need to do. So just do it.